All right, question number 6. A bag of snack mix weighs 8 9/100 ounces. What decimal is equivalent to 8 9/100? So on this one, guys, they give you the fraction. They want to know what decimal is equal to that. So draw your place value house. Ones, tens, hundreds, that's your units. Then you've got tenths and you have hundreds. That's your decimal. So if I have 8 as my whole number, it's going to go in my ones place. Then you put your decimal point. Your 9 goes in your hundredths over here, but I can't leave out my tenths. I've got to go ahead and put a 0. So then it's just about filling out your chart correctly. So 8 goes before your decimal, and then 0, 9. And then you just color it in. Okay, so in that case, I need you to draw your place value chart.